At Society Tea, our passion has always been to bring the finest tea to every home in India. But as our dream grew, so did the challenges. Our management team spoke to suppliers from across the globe, but none could offer the solution we envisioned. It was really a complex situation, yet our management held their belief, our vision to create something innovative.
We explored different possibilities at local and global level. We met multiple suppliers, but unfortunately nothing matched our integrated needs of automation that we required. Until we met Godrej Cobor, they looked at our needs, took it up as a challenge, and yes, we were all ready to move forward.
At Godrej Cobor, we turn aspirations into reality. Partnering with Amati was more than just a project. It was a journey to create the first of its kind automated warehouse solution for the tea industry in India. We believe in the power of collaboration, in being stronger together. Our commitment to market leadership through technology leadership is unwavering. This project, which started in 2015, was a visionary leap. At a time when automation was not much considered, we envisioned and designed a solution that had never been seen before. We combined our expertise in technology with Amati's vision, and together we created something truly remarkable, an engineering marvel. This warehouse stands as a symbol of what's possible when innovation meets passion. We wanted to ensure that their legacy of delivering the finest tea continues to thrive and supported by the very best in automation.
We invite you to witness the power of automation, the strength of collaboration,
And the future of tea warehousing.
Welcome to the Amar Tea Facility, spread across 13 acres where precision meets efficiency. Let's explore how we seamlessly handle raw materials from arrival to storage, setting the stage for premium tea production, delivering unique tea globally. The journey begins with the arrival of raw material-laden trucks. Each truck is assigned to an available dock, ensuring a smooth and organized entry into our plant.
Then, the conveyor system comes into action.
The state-of-the-art telescopic conveyor system boosts efficiency, reducing unloading time and supporting operators ergonomically while ensuring accurate bag counting.
The materials then undergo a critical de-dusting process.
Removing floating dust on the bag to maintain the highest quality standards. Next, the bags are weighed. SKUs are selected, tagged, and then scanned, ensuring precise categorization for the next stage. The process flows into sampling, rejection, and refill. The first bag of each SKU is sampled. If the bag is damaged or the RFID is not read, it's rejected.
The sorted tea bags are systematically categorized, preparing them for their journey through our facility.
Meanwhile, empty pallets are de-dusted, ensuring they are clean and ready for reuse in the palletization stage. Now, in the palletization area, materials are efficiently placed onto clean pallets with one SKU on each pallet.
So now once the palletization is completed, palletized goods are then moved out, prepared for the next phase of processing.
A recirculation loop is present in the system where bags get rotated. It also gets sorted depending on the availability of the palletizing station.
Now before storage inside the RM warehouse, each pallet undergoes strapping.
And a profile check to ensure all dimensions meet our rigorous standards. Finally, secured pallets are loaded into our RM ASRS storage, where they are stored in a controlled environment. The inventory is instantly updated, ensuring products are ready when needed. Now we go to the rainbow preparation area, where stored raw materials are efficiently retrieved and processed for production, ensuring organized access and minimal production. pallet barcodes or RFID, then loaded onto the conveyor for storage inside the RM ASRS. One of the key ingredients in preparing high-quality tea is the blended material. The BM pallets are further sent to the quarantine area for consumption via conveyors on the mezzanine. The jumbo bags of blended material are received from the unloading station at the quarantine area and picked up by the MHE. These bags are quarantined on the manual racking for a specific period. The intelligent GKSC put-to-light system manages the storage location from the conveyor to the manual racking. For precise slotting, the MHE is equipped with a vehicle mounting device or VMD, guiding the operator to the correct location.
These VFDs helps to achieve high accuracy in a high traffic area and during high pallet transactions.
Once the trigger is received from the ERP, the jumbo bags are retrieved from the racked positions and placed in front of the respective silos for tea preparation. Empty pallets that are generated in the silos are picked by the MHE and conveyed to the pallet stacker and auto lifter for further usage.
In this stage, the focus shifts to the final product.
After the blended material completes the production process, it is carefully packed, handled, and prepared for storage. Finished goods cartons are securely palletized, ensuring safety and protection during storage. Before entering the ASRS, a thorough profile check is conducted to ensure the pallets meet all necessary specifications. The ASRS then stores the final goods in a controlled environment. This system optimizes space and guarantees that products are easily accessible for distribution or further processing.
The journey is exciting so far, but we have still more to go. The process begins with the retrieval of finished good from our ASRS system.
In order to have efficient sequencing of FG products to dealers, we have created a pallet pick buffer area. This pick buffer area holds up to 100 pallets and is managed by our efficient and smart shuttle car with a fork mechanism. This shuttle car ensures timely receipt and delivery of FG pallets at the depalletizing station at Outbound. We have 6 outbound depalletization stations, each equipped with an outbound pallet location and vacuum lifters for picking and placing the carton boxes. Each station is equipped with a system-guided picking mechanism, constantly updating the operator on the type and quantity of cartons to be picked. Further, cartons are merged onto a single highway line capable of handling 1200 throughput per hour. The decision of which cartons to be sorted to which of these two docks is managed by our intelligent scanners. Finally, the cartons are validated by HHT and then conveyed inside the truck with the help of a telescopic conveyor, enabling complete end-to-end tracking of cartons. An efficient flush function is built by the GKSC WMS system in the pick buffer area, which helps send back the residual FG pallets to storage if not needed for next day dispatches.
We at Sanjam, Gujarat, spread across 13 acres, delivering unique tea globally. Our tagline at Society Tea is, "It's a brand new day."